Hi, I'm Rich Goldie, owner of Harness Motion, and we're here today to talk about the NOUA laser. When it comes to welding, I will be the first to say I am by no means an expert at this. I have an old MIG-TIG welder that I can MIG, can't TIG, but the problem was we came upon a project where we needed to weld aluminum, and aluminum and MIG welding is really complicated. So after studying way too many YouTubes, we discovered the laser welders. So here it sits in our shop. Once we got all the buttons pressed correctly, I want to say the first weld I did with it, you looked at the weld and it was perfect. It was just so pretty. And then you flipped it around and you used the wire feeding on the other side and it was even better. So we knew we had something here. So then we tried a piece of aluminum. You had to switch to the aluminum feed, aluminum wire, change a few settings. And again, the first time welding aluminum, I've looked for people that do regular MIG welding and there's nowhere near as good as the welds that those produce. Switching to aluminum does have its benefits if the case calls for it. But again, then you run into people with the mindset of MIG welding aluminum. And by laser welding aluminum, the welds are just so much better, so much nicer. And what's even better is you can take someone that has limited MIG experience, or even someone with no welding experience, give them an hour or two practice, and they're spitting out product that people with 10, 15 years experience would want to produce. It's fast, and it's a wonderful weld when you're done. The reason I bought from NOUA Laser was they answered the phone. It was a pretty good deal, and they took PayPal credit card. So I had a little bit of trust in there because PayPal offers you some protection. And yes, it was a little bit of an investment, but it's one of those where if you're going to do the job, you need to have the right tools. If you're doing production work that has decent seams and you want a good clean weld, there really is no other way to go.